Because the moment I moved here after a month, coronavirus happened, the whole country was in a lockdown. हेलो नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है रीना भाटिया. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग अमेजिंग. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो फटाफट कर दो सब्सक्राइब. And if you're already a part of the family, thank you so much for watching. So this video is going to be a little different. It's going to be like a chit chat, a dil ki baat and a real talk video. 2020 is about to come to an end and मैंने सोचा एक ऐसा वीडियो बनाया जाए जहाँ पर मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँ 5 things that I have learned in 2020. How has my 1 year been in United States of America? मुझे 1 साल हो रहा है December 29th को यहाँ पर. And what are my new resolutions? So without further ado, let's start the video. 2020 has been like an eye opener for all of us. इतना सब कुछ सिखाया है हमें इस साल ने. There has been highs and lows and मैंने एक चीज अगर इस साल से सीखी है सबसे ज्यादा जो अहमियत मैं अपनी लाइफ में देना चाहती हूँ is to be grateful, is to show gratitude not only to my loved ones but whoever I meet even outside of my house, because we have no idea what the other person is going through. So I think the least we can do is be kind to others. That does not mean that you do not value your loved ones. You have to value your loved ones as well. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं होता है हम अपने loved ones को for granted लेना शुरू कर देते हैं. But यार इस 2020 ने हमें सिखा दिया है कि लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा unpredictable है. Value your loved ones and be grateful and show gratitude to yourself and towards others as well. The second thing which I want to talk about what 2020 has taught me is to save. I cannot stress on this enough how much saving and investing is important, and I would like to thank my dad for this because यार मैं जब बचपन से ही ना मुझ में ये हैबिट बहुत ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि मुझे अब भी याद है जब मुझे पॉकेट मनी भी मिलती थी ना घर पर बचपन में, तो मैं उसमें से थोड़ा बहुत सेव करती थी. मेरे हिसाब से इफ़ योर सैलरी इज एक्स अमाउंट, उसमें से तुमको 20 to 30% सेव करना चाहिए. You should have an emergency fund. You should have investments which can help you in your future. So I'm not giving over here any financial tips that how to save and how to invest. All I'm telling you is to start saving and start investing so that you can have a much more safer future and you can plan things much better. The third thing which I struggle with quite a bit is healthy eating. क्या होता है ना, healthy eating का ऐसा है ना, you have to adapt it as a lifestyle. बहुत बारी मैंने नोटिस किया है यार, मैं 1 हफ्ता 2 हफ्ता अच्छे से खाती हूँ and then I go on this binging mode. I don't know, I think most of you can relate with me on this. ये तुम 21 दिन या 37 days या 60 days के लिए adapt करके and you think your entire life is going to be healthy. No, you have to adapt this as your lifestyle. You have to choose to eat healthy. अगर तुमने वीकेंड में पिज्जा खा लिया, that is all right. Do not be hard on yourself, but just get back on track. This is something which I struggle with, and if you have any tips how to adapt a healthy lifestyle, please put it in the comment section below. But 2020 has definitely taught me that if you have a healthy lifestyle and if you eat healthy, you can live longer, you can be happier. Next thing is celebrate your victories and celebrate festivals, because guys, why not? Why not? मतलब लाइफ इतनी ज्यादा छोटी है यार. मुझे अमेरिका में 1 साल हो गया. I have made sure even in the midst of corona I am celebrating the festival. By celebrating festivals, I am not telling you go in a 5-star hotel and throw a party. No, even if you're with your loved ones, even you are with your parents, just celebrate. अगर यहाँ पर हम अपनी achievements और festivals celebrate नहीं करेंगे ना, then I think it's just a waste. So yeah, I mean 2020 has definitely made me realize that how important it is to celebrate your small victories, your big victories, and to celebrate your festivals. And the last point, which is keep a check on your mental health. यार मतलब ये एंग्जाइटी जो है ना, मतलब इस पर तो पूरी बुक लिखी जा सकती है हाउ डीप दिस इज. नोबडी कैन जस्ट बी हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम, बट इफ यू आर कीपिंग अ चेक ऑन योर mental health and if you are sharing your thoughts and discussing things with your loved ones, with a friend, you can really be in a better position. Do not keep things to yourself. Talk about your problems, क्योंकि यार क्या होता है ना, जब हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में अपने फैमिली वालों से डिस्कस करते हैं ना, तो थोड़ा बर्डन तो definitely कम होता ही होता है, तो keep a check on your mental health. So these were my 5 things which 2020 has taught me. 1 year of staying in USA. मैं actually USA December 29th 2019 को शिफ्ट हुई थी. मुझे almost 1 साल हो जाएगा 5 दिन बाद, मतलब actually जब तक ये वीडियो आएगी तो 1 साल हो चुका होगा. And I am very happy and I'm very grateful that I shifted here, I moved here right before coronavirus happened, because अगर हम वेट करते थोड़ी सी भी 1-2 महीने वेट करते तो हम अटक जाते इंडिया में. So I'm very grateful for that. Yes, it has been a journey which has been filled with a little bit of anxiety, because the moment I moved here after a month coronavirus happened, the whole country was in a lockdown, shutdown happened, I lost my job and there were just too many things. But luckily my family was there with me, always there with me. My husband has always been the biggest supporter of my life. शुरू में definitely mundane लगा, थोड़ा anxiety हुआ, but I am so grateful for all of those months which happened in my life, because that has made me so much more stronger today. I have a very good job, a roof over my head. I am lucky, I have a lovely family. My 1 year in USA has been beautiful. This is a completely different lifestyle for me, but it is yet a lot to explore for me because it has just started. So far so good. It has been absolutely wonderful. And last I want to discuss what my New Year resolutions are. मैं कुछ ज्ञान नहीं देने वाली, ये resolution करो, नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं देने वाली. जो भी मैंने आपके साथ discuss करे हैं points, I want to make sure that I consciously inculcate those habits into my life mindfully and stick to them for the rest of my life. So this is it for today's video. This was like a little chit chat video which I wanted to have with you guys. I wanted to share with you 5 things which 2020 has taught me. 1 year in United States of America, 1 साल हो गया यार मुझे यहाँ पर. Time really flies. And what my New Year resolutions are. Do let me know if you like this video in the comment section below, and do tell me what is it that 2020 has taught you and आपके New Year resolutions क्या हैं. I would love to know. Let's chat in the comment section below. So if you like the video, please subscribe and become a part of the family and smash that like button. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.